Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Holochain coin friends. What's the current price of Holochain? What is the price change goes at this time in the Holochain, and what is the next target of Holochain coin? And this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And remember that if you are new on my channel, so you have to subscribe ABS Tech channel and stay connected with us. Remember that if you have any type of questions about Holochain or any cryptocurrency, so please comment me. I will try to answer your question friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the current price of Holochain coins, but please remember subscribe ABS Tech channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The current price is about 0.015633 USD dollar is the current price. And if we talk about the price change goes in the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, so the last 1 week change is positive except of last 1 day, these two both are negative friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the Holochain coin friends. As we can see here, that is the last 1 day price prediction chart of the Holochain coin. If we talk about the price change, so the price change is negative 6.41% change occur in the last 1 day. My god, at this time the all falls occur in this time friends. As you can see, a very bad falls occur at this point friends. And now if you look the last hour is at this time, this is a jumping of Holochain coin. As you can see here, the whole falls occur at this point friends. Now if we talk about the highest price of the Holochain coin, so as you can see here, 0.016704 USD dollar is the highest price of Holochain coin friends. The current price of Holochain is about 0.015633 USD dollar is the current price of Holochain coin friends. Now a lot of people ask me this question that what should we do at this time if we want to buy, sell or hold Holochain coin at this time friends. So my suggestion for all of you is that if you are a holder, so please hold it. If you want to buy, so please don't buy at this time. When the change become positive, it's the best time for you to buy friends. And if you want to sell it, so as you know you are in the loss from the last 1 day friends. If you want loss, so please sell it, and if you don't want any loss, so please hold it friends. Now as you can see here, what is the next move of Holochain coin? As you can see here, so it is clear for us that after this time they again take a jump friends. As you can see here, they gradually move upward friends. So now they are in the jumping mood, and I hope they continue this jump still tomorrow friends. What's your opinion about the Holochain? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.